We start by the symmetrical 0.5 carat diamond sizes on the hand, meaning that the length of these shapes are as long as they are wide. Round diamonds, while not apparent here, are consistently higher priced than other shapes because they have a cut that produces the most scintillation or sparkle. The rest of them are inferior in that category. Round diamonds are also the only diamonds given official cut grades. Cut grade tells you the most about how much the diamond will sparkle. It also tells you if the diamond is as big as the carat suggests on the lab certificate. Watch my video on how diamond retailers rip you off for more on that. Look at the Marquise diamond on the finger. Marquise are one of my favorite diamonds besides the round for two reasons. First, they look very good in vintage ring settings. And also, as you will see in this video, they always look bigger than other diamond shapes at the same carat size. Now we go on to 0.7 or a 3/4 carat engagement ring on the hand. In fact, when most diamonds increase in length and not width, the carat increases more slowly. Therefore, you save money because the carat isn't as high, but still looks a lot bigger. You probably noticed from the price boxes how much you can save by using that link below this video. Now the two boxes next to each diamond has K Jeweler's price and the price from my link below. And those two boxes compare the exact same quality diamond. When comparing those prices to the other shapes on the screen, I did my best to make all the specs as close as possible, but it isn't perfect. Now we move on to a 1 carat diamond engagement ring on the hand. One of the reasons round shapes are my favorite is that they hide flaws and discoloration very well. On the other side of the spectrum, you have emerald shapes. They don't sparkle as much and don't hide discoloration, and you can see flaws pretty easily. So I would recommend only buying high quality emerald diamonds, meaning they have excellent grades in the 4 C's. Now I mentioned that round is the only shape that gets an official cut grade, but cut is still important even for the other special shapes. Some websites, like the one below, do give unofficial cut grades for those special shapes. I find those cut grades to be pretty accurate, and they are important to know for the quality of the diamond. Here are 1 1/4 carat diamonds on the finger. Now with these price comparisons, you may notice that round is consistently more costly than the other diamond shapes. Also, the link I posted is consistently less expensive when compared to the brick and mortar stores. The crazy thing is, I prefer buying diamonds online, not just for the price, but also because of their predictability. You see, brick and mortar jewelry stores constantly use tricks to get you to buy lower quality diamonds for a higher cost. Here are 1 3/4 carat engagement rings on the finger. And if you want to learn more on that, watch my video that will teach you how diamond retailers rip you off. As we go into the higher carats of diamonds, you will also note that high carat oval diamonds are more expensive than equal diamonds of other shapes besides round. This is because oval diamonds are very trendy right now. Here are 2.5 carat diamonds on the finger, and it's hard to keep up the supply for how much they are even in demand. Thus, at the current time, they are surging in cost. In another year or two, the same thing will happen with a different shape. People always comment on how engagement rings are overpriced. Probably true, but this actually has very little to do with diamond companies. Let me tell you a story. Before a woman commits to marriage, she wants to know she is valued. Normally, she wants some sort of proof or investment to how much she is valued by her lover. For example, in some old cultures, they use cows. The amount of cows the man gave the family showed how much he valued her. The more cows he gave, the more worth he thought of her. Diamonds are just like the cows in this situation. What this does is give diamonds a high extrinsic value tied to an emotion and devotion, and that is opposed to intrinsic value, which would just give the diamond the price it would cost to produce it. So even if it isn't diamonds, it would be something else. It just so happens that diamonds are pretty and last forever, like a person hopes their love would last. Now let me just clarify. In my opinion, you should not go below an excellent or ideal cut grade. Diamond stores can play with the cut to make the carat look bigger without the actual size of it being bigger. And also, like I explained before, a bad cut reduces or diminishes the sparkle of the diamond. That is why the diamond cut is so important. So you would get ripped off twice if you bought a diamond with a lower quality cut. Here is a round cut size comparison on the hand. Now, if you want even more detailed comparisons for a specific shape like these, you can just go to one of my videos, let's say about a pear cut diamond size comparison or a radiant cut diamond size comparison on the hand, and you'll get a little bit more information and more details about the different carat sizes. In addition to those, I have videos to learn about color and clarity differences as well. These are square or princess cut engagement ring diamonds on the hand. You can see the gradual increase in size. A 1 carat barely looks bigger than the 0.75, and the 0.75 barely looks bigger than the 1/2, but the 1 carat looks a lot bigger than the 1/2 carat, and 2 carats looks way bigger than 1. Thus you can see the individual but steady increase. Here are cushion cut diamond size comparison. Cushion is like a princess cut, but it has rounded edges and corners. I like to say that if a princess and round cut had a child, it would be a cushion cut. Now here are pear-shaped engagement rings. The interesting thing with pear cuts is that on the pointy end, the sparkles are a little bit smaller, and on the round end, they're a lot larger. So the sparkles, if you want, they gradually get smaller to larger or larger to smaller. For a lot of people, this is very appealing, and then for other people, it looks a little bit off. It just depends on your preference. Here is the oval diamond size comparison. Like I said, oval shape is very trendy right now, so you'll pay more for an oval. The good thing about oval diamonds is that they go really well with some of the fancy engagement ring mountings. If you want some gorgeous oval ring inspiration, go to this Instagram page I will link to below for some inspiration. Now, like I explained, the Marquise diamonds on the finger just look so much bigger. It fools the eye. The 0.5 carat here, to me, looks almost like a 1 carat of other shapes. Plus, they tend to be less expensive. If you are flexible on diamond shapes, in my opinion, these diamonds get you the most for your money. Here are the heart-shaped diamonds on the hand. These used to be a little more popular, but are kind of dying out. Some people, though, still love them. The biggest issue with the heart-shaped diamond is that you can't really tell it's a heart until it gets into the bigger sizes of carats. So I recommend only doing a heart shape if you're going to go big on carat. Here are the radiant size comparisons on the finger. Radiant is the more sparkly version of the emerald diamond. I prefer the radiant because it's more sparkly, and emerald has a more glass-like. Both are beautiful, but I tend to like the sparkle over the glass-like or glacier appearance. But it really just depends on the mounting you want to put it with. And here are the emerald diamond engagement rings. The one thing to look out for with emerald diamonds is that because they have very long surfaces, they reflect light different. So you could get one that looks darker and doesn't illuminate like other shapes. For example, look at the 0.8 carat. It just looks a lot darker to me than the rest of the others, even on this page. These are Asher cut engagement ring diamonds. Asher cut diamonds are just like emerald cuts, only they aren't rectangular, they're more square. So in the comments, I will answer any of your personal questions about diamonds you are thinking about buying or doubts about what you should do when you buy a diamond.